Registrar wa migunda kaunti-ini ya Kiambu Benson Limo umuthie kurara Kenya thutha wa guikio ngono ni maabitha kamiti ya kurana ungumania guku bururi-ini EACC agikuruhanio na wici wa mugunda wa ruhonge rwa Agricultural Development Authority ADC uri uri tauni-ini ya Kitale kaunti-ini ya Trans Nzoia. Agikira ndeto ino mukode mwaria wa EACC Eric Gumbi oigite Limo na andu angi mugwanja marekwirwo kwigwatira mugunda wa eka 667 wa muigana wa ciringi bilioni 1.3 riria ari registrar wa migunda Nairobi.
Benson Limo, the senior land registrar in Kiambu County, is the chief architect accused of masterminding that scheme that led to the illegal transfer of 667 acres of public land worth 1.3 billion that belongs to ADC.
Oni arekwirwo gutongoria wici wa migunda ya muigi na andu kiumbe kaunti-ini cia Kiambu na Nairobi. Limo aikirio ngono hindi ya firigisheni iria tafanirio gwake mucii mwena wa Nairobi West guku Nairobi na iria twaranire na firigisheni ingi iria tafanirio mucii-ini wake uri uri mwena wa Kapenguria. Firigisheni makiria ni itafanirio micii-ini ingi ya ekwirwo kaunti-ini itiganite.
It is unfortunate that today the residents of Kiambu are not able to get services from the Lands Office because when the EACC detectives arrived, all the staff took off, and that operation is underway. I can also confirm that the multiple operations that have taken place across the 6 counties have yielded very important evidentiary material that the Commission will rely on in finalizing the ongoing investigation.
Gumbi ni ongereire kuga hindi ya firigisheni ici maratathi ma bata ma thirikari ni mahithukirio mucii-ini kwa Limo ari ni hamwe na maratathi ma taito matari maihurie, maratathi ma green cards cia migunda, mihuri ya mawakiri na indo ingi cia bata iria mwikwirwo arehithiire. Ni athiete na mbere kuga ni marathuthuria maregistrar angi a migunda mambiriirie na kaunti cia Nairobi, Kajiado, Machakos, Nakuru, Bomet, Narok, Kisumu, Garissa, odumwe na Kwale kuria wici wa migunda wihireirie.
The Kiambu County Land Registrar is among 42 land registrars across the country who are under investigation by the Commission for various forms of fraudulent dealings in land administration, including alienation of government land to private developers, collusion with the fraudsters to irregularly allocate land belonging to other persons to these fraudsters.